On a form. Oh, okay. All right. Michael, what's up? How you doing? Hey, Michael, how you doing?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Jerry.
I'm
Yeah. Sorry, I actually went to what was it called? I was. Let me first ask you that about my assignment. Have you done it?
um yeah, I've done half of one. I've done one. Let me leave it as that. But like
Did you like
um,
push it to your personal branch on the distance?
no, I don't I haven't figured out to do that thing. Um
So okay, let me. I'm coming.
I'm using
Hello?
my
You're using what?
kind of very bad. And then
Car.
my laptop doesn't last long. That's why I haven't progressed as much. And then I've also not
Is
like
that what
had
doesn't work?
my
I'm not hearing you
laptop
very well.
doesn't last so long
Oh,
without
okay.
electricity.
The battery, bro. That is see. Everybody did that kind of show. Now see, we just the try was it called me now. As we go find petrol. See, I got on gen. And now, not true now. My battery safe no the last like look like 1 hour or even less than 1 hour sometimes. So like now I just try to like manage myself, think about how I want to take on my day. When I wake up, like okay, oh, from this time to this time I want to work. Let's this time like my laptop will be dead, so I'll be doing another thing. At this time I must have gone to buy petrol so that I switch on DJ and I was or else I not go do anything. So like now everybody actually as lights no take daylight. I'm area like this, like there's no light at all. That's the issue. Like there's no light. And so when we like vacated for this semester, like I didn't go home first. Like I spent like 3 weeks or so in school, you know. And I was like, in short, I just came home. I just came home. That our first main class go. That Saturday was when I came home in the night.
Wow. So like what were you doing in school? If I try to do this now, let's see if I can.
I'm sorry, boss. Like my network went off there. Sorry. Okay. My network went off. So I told you, you know. Okay. Um, which one were you able to do the assignment?
Yeah.
Which one were you able to do?
So I didn't get that. Which was
Which assignments were you able to do?
the first one, the one about like library management.
All right.
Coming, I'm opening it.
Okay. Let me what's it called? Let me teach you how to this thing. I'm like teaching you Git commands. This thing. Just um
I
as
tried
we
to like,
progress as we
and
progress and like ma, I'm coming boss.
okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
I mean, this is not even the first time I've tried to learn Git. Like, I haven't watched
Uh,
several videos. Very confusing. The only way I upload like things I've worked on my VS Code to like my GitHub, I think they have like an upload, drag and
yeah,
upload.
yeah. That upload
Like,
feature.
yeah, I don't know how to push or pull anything, and I don't know why it's so
Alright.
hard. Like anytime I
You
try,
know
there's
what?
always errors.
I cannot say Git is hard, and I cannot say Git is not hard. Git like I cannot say that like like it is a software that someone built now, and like you can
Yeah,
post in code and everything. But then see one thing I'll do is I will not like this class. If you put time, like, if you guys put time, you will learn a lot actually. In the sense that I will not be there are things I will not be teaching, but I'll be doing. So if you are smart enough, you pick it up from there. Feel like Git, just like work Git databases. A lot of this to like you should say almost start say I'm using some design patterns. Just alpha I'm on this thing. Like what is here? So you will learn some things even unconsciously. That is like if you are observant enough, you will learn it unconsciously. So I'll show you how to like pull from Git and like we'll start with cloning. Then I'll show you how to pull. Then you I will show how you can like push and commit your kosher. So let me share my screen. Uh, la. Can you see my screen now? No, no. Can you see my screen now? My,
yeah, I can see your screen.
all right. Then I want like if you what ID you are using?
VS Code.
VS Code. Okay. Maybe I should use VS Code with you. Mm, open your VS Code right now. Let us first start with cloning a code. How to clone a code. Like how to clone from GitHub. How to clone something from GitHub. Uh, First is
Okay.
what directly do you want to clone into? Like maybe like like you're trying to clone a folder now. Like you're trying to get probably a whole project from GitHub now. Get the directory that you want to clone to now. See, like there's a lot of prerequisites that you must know. But then me, I just like see just cram this thing how they do. That is that is the way you can benefit from this thing. Just like cram this thing that I'm saying. Like
Please can you give me like
because
2 minutes?
a
I'm
minute.
switching on my.
Me too. Like I'm switching on my this thing now. So let's say I have a folder. Let's say like I name it. Um let's say I want it to be in this folder. in this documents folder. You get, let's say like this is the folder that I want. What terminal this now I have it on the your system apart from CMD, apart from command line and PowerShell. Do you have any other terminal? Maybe like Git Bash or Ubuntu or WSL or anything? Hmm?
Um, I'm not using Ubuntu, but I think I downloaded Git one time.
Okay, don't worry. Just open. Come here. Open PowerShell. Type PWSH. If you do not now have PowerShell, like if let's say like it did not open, then just type CMD. You get type
How will I
you,
open
you,
that?
you can you can like I came here. Let me off it back. Just open your file explorer. Are you on Windows or what OS are you on?
Windows.
Okay. Open your file explorer. Open the folder that you want this code to be. The thing is that like you see like this code like what's it called like open the folder. I'll be like, oh, shall open that place. Why is my Python not opening? Come on. This my system. Shall they whine me? Kai. Everywhere just. So, oh yeah. Let me first stop it. Okay. This is an introduction. Okay. No, even worry, safe. I don't. All right. Have you have you done that? Hello,
You said
Michael.
I should
Yeah, like
open.
yeah, open the folder. Yeah, I was waiting for you now. So type in PWSH or CMD. Any command line you want to. Like me, I prefer using PowerShell. That's PWSH.
Okay.
Okay. After wait. First type Git. Did, did it show anything? Like maybe Git version, maybe Git minus V or type Git -v or Git
PWS.
version. From here, type in PWSH or CMD. Anyone. Like, are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
Like, I came to this part, this bar, this I don't know the name. This bar, like, come here, like, type in PWSH or type in CMD. Have you
Okay.
opened it? As the command line opened. Michael, as the command line opened. Eh?
Um. Okay.
Don't worry, tell me. If it is not working, tell me, let me know. Like I'm here to guide you to do it. Just tell me. Let me.
It took me to Chrome.
Eh?
It took me to Chrome.
To Chrome Abi. That's yeah, it took you to Chrome Abi. Okay, I understand. That's like what what command do you type?
PWSH.
Okay, you don't have PowerShell installed in your system. Type in CMD.
Okay.
Did you open any command line?
Yep.
All right. Like the one on my screen, Abby.
Yeah, exactly how it is.
Exactly. Yeah, now type in git. Look how I'm typing. Type in git git hyphen v. Hey, sorry, Jerry. Not just git hyphen v or type in git a double hyphen version. Anyone
Yeah,
you should see the git version. They have git installed in your system. Git version 2.45.2.
I
Eh?
it's B. It showed me Git
Git
version 44.0 dot
Windows,
Windows.
Abby. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, my one version 4.5 because like I just install Git again. Like I think it was maybe like 2 months ago, safe. So that's why like it's a newer version, but then like it does not make so. Yeah. So uh, since you have Git installed in your system, I'll just maybe very soon. Maybe if I create another repo, when we start Django, like I'll show you how to like create a GitHub repository and push to GitHub. So Git is different from GitHub. Git is the software. GitHub is the site. You understand?
Hmm.
Git is the software. GitHub is the site. So let us conventional now. Type git clone.
I can just
Have you
type
seen my
clone.
screen? Yeah, git
Yeah.
clone. Then go to your browser. Like open that this repository. That repository that I sent to you guys. Open it.
Okay.
Have you opened it? I see what is showing on my system on my system right now. Like is it showing this exact same thing?
I'm coming. I've opened it before. Sorry.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hmm. I think I've seen it. I think
Just like once you see this kind of thing on your screen, just tell me. Don't like should the panic abi the I don't know. I don't know as I want put time. Waiting like why you this thing just calm down, do it. I'm like no worry, you go. Me like I did like I did now. I want to guide you, like I want to guide you, maybe you know. Eh, if you don't, so oh yeah, you've opened
I've
it, Abby.
opened the on Chrome.
All right. Come to this code. Look at this code button. Code.
Yeah.
Have you seen it? Now copy this URL. If you want to use SSH, but then maybe I'll show you. I'll show you with SSH or if you install GitHub CLI. But for now, we're just making a request through HTTPS. So we're not using SSH. So type git clone. Then after click on this copy URL to clipboard. After copying it, come back to the command line. Then paste it. Control V. Have you ever seen it?
Yeah. But
No.
I'm still
Enter.
trying to get the URL from the code because it's not showing me. It's just showing me like spaces.
Like what?
When I clicked on the code, it just showed me like code spaces.
Co- uh, did you see local beside it?
Oh, I've seen it.
Now click on
So I should
local.
just the
Yeah,
HTTPS link. I've
yeah.
copied it.
Copy it. Now come to your this thing and paste it. You can see that. You can see what I did there. Git clone clinical. Then I I enter space after the clone space. Then paste the URL there. Then click enter.
Hmm. Enter.
Right.
Um,
You see the same thing. Cloning into MLSA bootcamp Python refresher course. Enumerating object 123, maybe it's not 123, maybe anything depending on your system. Sure. Counting objects 123 or 123, compressing, receiving object, receiving, resolving delta and so on. Did you
it
see this
should
stuff on the eh?
it showed me fatal mission denied.
Permission denied.
Yeah.
Did you set up Git? Did you set up Git very well in your system? Sure? Ah, Git. You know what I'm thinking right now? If I do this thing for you now, maybe person come tomorrow, another day again. Because I'm saying now this Git thing I'm going to do for the person. My ship if any. Kai! Oh God. Git. What the command say? Git. Can I username? I be make up my PowerShell big. What's in a Git username? Then Git username. User. Should I user? Wait. Copy the error message and paste it in that chat box. Let me see.
Oh, wow.
Why what?
Okay. Um,
Eh?
I'm like on my system, but I'm on my phone for the call. So maybe I should send it to the WhatsApp group.
To the WhatsApp group.
Like I'm working on my system, but like I'm looking
Yeah.
at yours from like,
Oh, okay. And like you can send it to my DM now.
oh, okay. Mm, that's it.
Ola money.
I'm not problem.
So why me? See na network they do you. I been I dey do network. So why me? My phone go start. My laptop go start the hang now. Just any small load, any small whining. You go don't vex. Small, you know. Eh,
Mm.
any small load, you don't vex.
Okay, the second time it said access denied.
Just paste the code to my DM. Have you sent it? Have you sent it to my DM?
Sending it now. Sorry, like my WhatsApp couldn't and like,
Okay. Will you share your screen? Like, is there where I want to see the message? Let me verify that it is what it is like what I'm thinking of.
Okay. I think I can.
Just share your screen, like don't worry. It will stop me from sharing. Alpha boss. Yeah, Kola Jali. Alpha big man.
I said I sent it to. I didn't know I was not muted.
Hmm?
I sent the. I sent image or the image. I
Okay,
copied.
to my DM, maybe.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah. Oh, wait. You know what? Type in this. Like type in cd dot. What's it called? Like type cd dot dot.
Um. Okay. So I'm coming. I'm trying to switch on one audio from here. So I can be able to like because everything is echoing here because I have two devices here. Mm. Understand. Okay. Um.
Did you hear what I said? I said I type in cd dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot or type in cd dot dot. cd dot dot then cd dot dot. Just ensure that you are in this C directory, this C folder. You're in the C directory. You see this thing. Right.
Okay. So let's really type like
Hmm? Michael, how far now? See your network safe no good.
my network. Can you hear me?
I wish that we can just be flowing. Oh yeah, do this, I've done it. Oh yeah, do this, I've done it. Yeah, do this, I've done it. Or else I go tire. I have to be waiting. I'm serious. You know easy now. Ah, let's just have you done it? Make our way to see the energy no good day. And yeah, do
Yeah, let
this,
me
I've
see.
done it. Do this, done. Do this, done. Do this, done. It is like what is going on now? Have you noticed that I said I should?
No.
What are you doing right now?
You see that
Eh?
this is the error message. After I typed it, it was like permission denied. It is not recognized as an internal account.
Ha. CD.
Dot dot. Abi?
Michael, like, please follow what I said. Do exactly what I said. I had to ask you to do. Exactly what I asked you to do. And let me put my command line again. Okay, don't worry, safe. Let me put the same thing that what that you that this thing. Make up my command line in the admin like as an admin because you know what you open your command line as an admin like it will like it's running as an administrator. That is why you're seeing that thing. Now you can see that C Windows System 32 admin. Can see that admin.
Mm,
See Windows System 32. All right.
yeah.
Type in cd space dot dot. Do exactly what I like. Copy what is on the screen. Cd space dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot or cd dot dot anyone and enter.
That's what you should.
Yeah. Cd not capital letter cd small cd change directory cd.
I think let me stop sharing my screen so
Eh?
you can let me stop sharing so you can share.
No, like you're not sharing now. Wait,
I
wait,
was the
wait,
one
wait.
sharing the entire.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, share again. Let me see. Ha. What you can do your you are share your screen now.
Okay. So see
Uh-uh.
what I typed.
It don't work now. What you come with the other way to talk about? Say what?
No, I typed cd dot dot. It didn't show me anything. Just move to the next line.
No, it don't show me. It don't show anything. Me, what you're trying to do is that you're trying to change the directory. Short for CD means change directory. So that dot wild card, you are moving back. You press if you look at. Let me share my screen. Let me,
Okay.
I did not plan to do this night, but then it is what it is. But I won't be doing this
So
same thing for I won't be this same thing. I won't be doing it for the other guys because now this kind of thing they always like now this kind of thing they always waste time. If imagine say I do this kind of thing, I person say come tomorrow. I'm trying to join the clinical make her like ask caller if because like that will last ever. I don't know whether I'm a man, I've been a woman. Uh, so,
you're saying that the dot is changing directly to the is changing the directory to the next one, or like
like back, but yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. So look at my screen. Make I open my what's it called?
you type on command line.
Command line.
So I
Command
type
prompt. Hey. Eh?
your screen is just static. I don't know if you started writing something.
Ah. Firefox the better with the neo. Don't worry. Let me. I'm coming. Let me leave the meeting and I jump, like I'm going to jump with another browser now. I'll jump with Edge. Just comes.
Okay.
Um.
Wow. Very intense.
So Michael, let me share my screen. Entire screen. Yeah. The verbal share. Give me the more right now. Um. CMD. Come on, no, the administrator. Boss, you can see my screen now. Boss man, you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see it.
All right. So, can I type dear? Hey, dear yo. Okay, let's finish. I don't know. Say a lot of this is don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Because see folders with them down. Okay. Don't this one has too much. It has too much folders on that. Don't that. I mean, look at what I'm about to do now. Just open one folder in your system that is not that's system 32. Maybe your downloads folder, anything. Just open another folder in your file explorer. The same way I'm doing to my system. Like I want to just show you something.
Yeah.
You've done that a bit. Okay, let me open my downloads folder. You can delete the recording document. So also open any folder. So then type in your CMD. Like did you like I was like are you in this directory? This C users was maybe like the name of the user either C users user downloads or C users your custom name then downloads
Yeah, I can see users Michael downloads.
downloads. All right. So now type this inside directories and files in my downloads folder. So I want to change directory into a okay. Let me okay now. This is a folder. So note that when at least in this context when you're about directory, the main folder. So like let me cd into phone link. I can move from one folder to another. You get by using this cd command on what's it called on yeah I think on on Linux this thing that Linux distribution OS2 then I CD2 so CD phone link just check any folder there type in CD and type in the name of the folder you can see that now I am in that phone link now I am no more in the downloads folder if I press D now it's another thing that will come out it's like movies on my system.
Mm.
Have you done that? Oh God. So you can use CD like that CD to change it. So like if I want to move backwards now, I'll just type CD dot and back in downloads. You can see. If I want to move two step backwards, CD dot slash dot. You can see I'm at users. Let me enter. Let me enter. Send it back. Let me like CD download slash downloads slash phone link. You can see now like I'm even moving multiple steps forward. I'm not moving here now. That place now. I moved one step forward. Like, but now I'm moving three steps. CD or sending, enter or sending, enter download, then enter phone link. So now, if I want to move, if I want to move three steps backward, dot, and I'm back here. Have you seen it?
Yeah,
So, so the CD is to change working directory. There's what we call the
um,
current working directory.
I understand, but like how is directories because
That the
I can
folder
just
that,
see
that I can hear you.
okay, so documents for
Yeah.
instance.
Eh,
Is it supposed to change? It didn't change to anything. Same at 35.
and like if which what's it called, like which listener, which which directory are you currently in now? Is it downloads or documents, or which one?
Doc- downloads.
Downloads or anyone, Abi. Now, okay, come to File Explorer. Just pick any folder here. Like I don't mean files. Oh. Pick any folder.
Oh,
My system can annoy me like mad. Why? Stop. Stop. Ah, just in the move. Have you like picked any folder? Just oh Michael. God. Michael, are you there? Michael, are you there? Hey. I swear, and I don't really tire. Okay. This Michael, are you there? Oh, be like we will leave this thing abeg. Now to 10 with this. Make up my VS code abeg. We go dey do gist later. Cause time they go. Kinila and Shelata, we never even do the. Oh. Mike, are you there? Hey, so let us pick the assignment. The new file. Sorry, new folder. The like what is the am I sharing my screen? Okay. What is the previous statement? You are tasked with. Hello, are you saying something, Michael?
yeah, I can see it.
Like I saying something. I was asking you that. Like what happened? Were you even hearing me when I was talking this morning?
Yeah, my network I just went out and came in. My
Ah,
network just picked up.
I've been thinking we know. So like let us just do the work for today.
Okay, no problem.
Why am I this in the sound like this? So let me so now this is the first task now. You are tasked with developing a library management system that showcases various levels of inheritance, right? Now instructions. Number one is base class. Like you have to create a base class now, a class name library item. This class should have the following fields. Others attributes are be title, author, publication year, and methods to string. So now it returns a formatted string representation of the library. Derived classes should create um, a book with fields general as ISBN, journal with field volume issue and issue, then method to string, magazine with issue month and editor. Right? This is just something simple now. Just to show how classes can inherit stuff from this thing. So then add a class. What's it called? That is then this create advanced inheritance. Add a class reference book that inherits from the book class and represents books that cannot be borrowed. Abi? Okay. Okay. Books that cannot be borrowed. Reference section. In the section like in the section in the library where it is stored, override the method in book to retrieve status functionalities like issuing book. Okay. Okay. So you know, okay, then create statuses of books and print their details. All right. Michael, like, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you.
First thing I wanted to know that I did not give you an assignment. Like the assignment I gave you, like I didn't ask you to solve any question. No. I already gave you instructions to follow on how to write the code. So just write the code for me. That was what I asked you guys to do. But then so like let me I will do both assignment one and assignment two now. Class share library, been a library book, I've been a library item, book, journal, magazine, book, journal, and magazine. Then I have reference books that cannot be borrowed. Put the reference section. Okay, class library item. Title, author, and publication year. Definite the constructor first. This copilot is a madman. Ó ti lọ wo readme file mi, ó ti mọ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe. Sí nǹkan àbí àbí na say VS Code dey hear my voice because there's this voice there's this there's this voice feature on VS Code. Let me see this thing for my voice. I dey come. It's good voice feature. Ah, sometimes I go just something and I no go show am. I said it. Speech extension, which enables speech to text capabilities. Speech extension. Speech. Boss, I dey come on this one. I just SSP. Wetin dey sup? You do always get issue every time. start. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I have title, author, and publication here. So that those are the so that this is how you create fields. Like what? Like, this is how you add field to a class now. Title, author, then publication year, publication year. So title now we know that this will be a string. Author will be a string. Publication year. Let it be a string so we can format it later. You can format it to be a date type later. Definite and if self title. But me, I like putting my indicating that it's testing they should use private variables and they should not be accessed outside. They are private. So I have my dev. Should I just indicate setters and getters?
Wait, so
What is it?
the hyphen or like the underscore before the title, does it indicate it's a private?
Yeah, like just to
Ah,
like it's like it is a Python conversion to show that this is because normally Python does not really have support for adding private variables. Hence why I was saying that the encapsulation is not really a Python thing. To just say that like you cannot make something, you cannot make methods private. You cannot do you can like indicate that they should be private and some IDs like PyCharm that like that those advanced IDs they used to like to do now they tell you that no this is meant to be private and don't touch it. No, if you access it, no allow. Don't like not to happen. Your code will run fine to work well. But once by convention in Python codes, like when I develop, or when I'm working with other developers, like you guys can like put convention that any field or method that starts with a single underscore, not double underscore, like a single underscore that starts with a single underscore, like the first character is a single underscore, then it should be private. It should be treated as private and should not be used outside the module. So everything I want to use this that is to do, it should not pass inside this class. Not even inside not even inside this file. Oh. I mean inside this class. It will only be used inside this class. Even if I create another class outside here, I should not be able to access this title author and publication here. So def what methods this we should add to string abi. See that patch I got tell to string ni. So you go first whine me nonsense. Return I dey come boss. Mama, ilé. Ah, níjọ rí. Mm, Boss, I'm back. Title. Application here. Self dot. Self dot. Title. Self dot. Author. So that's publication here. So that's publication here. Publication here. Alright. It was string, not then. Class book models dot model. Ha. Django. Hey. Every item. Definite. Definite. Don't super. Ags. Quags. I don't really want quags and Ags. I just want some. I don't know. I don't really want the dynamic this thing. What are the this thing and the what's it called? Mm, Genre and ISBN. Then the to string. Genre ISBN to string. Genre ISBN. Should I then make it an integer? Wait, ISBN is it always strings every time? Or like, I think ISBN needs to be numbers now.
Um, I think it's like a mixture of numbers and letters. So it's like
Letters are the
CA139.
all right. So, don't worry, just no, I never ask you to call to put out call safe. I want in it call super dot should it call super? Hmm. General auto title. What's it called? So don't worry, don't call super. Don't call super. Don't worry. Don't call super yet. Don't call this guy self dot genre Jerry. Genre equals to genre. Boss, at the come. Make I quickly like my like person come outside now. I suppose go greet them. So I could just come out to come, but make I finish this one. Yeah, cause part to strength first, then to the and plus. Yeah, exactly what I want. So and does it have any methods? Okay, problem. Okay, journal. I have foods, volume, issue, then to strength to foods. That's journal.
Wait,
Add foods.
how do you subclasses like
Eh?
request for like how do you make the subclasses request for like authors and titles
Eh?
like for book now?
Mm. Yeah.
Like when you're the book, you didn't add like authors and classes to the dev in it. And then I realized that when I was trying to like make sure it also requires like characteristics from the parent class, I have to also rewrite the
No. You don't.
authors and
You don't.
titles.
You don't. Need to, you don't write it. You don't write it. It will use it further on. Like this now. This guy has already inherited everything that is there. All the methods, all the words you call. But here now I'm overriding it. So now it inherited this method, but then now I'm overriding it. So like normally, but if I don't override it, this would be what it will print as to string. I mean this book. But then like this to string now, I've overridden it already, and now I've provided custom implementation apart from what's good different from the one that is in the father. And also these things they will normally but in the like in the this in the OOP in the concept of OOP, it doesn't really inherit these guys from because they are private. But then like by default now it's already inherit all these ones too. So like I think like I should be able to access self dot title. Yes now. Like, so sorry this guy now. I think I should be able to access self dot title. Yes. If I self dot title. Yeah, I can access it equals to the string. Yeah, I can access it. Yeah, Python this thing. So now you can see now. Did I define title here?
No,
Eh? Exactly.
no.
Okay. So now even here too, if I say clinical now equals to self dot. So maybe I say maybe self dot title or self dot author. You can see it. Did I define it here? So also like so that it can access it. Like it already inherited those things from from its father already. So, did I answer your question?
Yeah. So
All
I
right.
want to understand what does that overriding exactly mean? And I don't even
You
understand
you
like
you
the
you English. What be override? Make I ask you first.
I mean, do you just want to, you know, get just the genre and the ISBN?
I ask you a question. I say, would you wait to be override?
You want to like bypass something.
My pass bow. So to override something like with our normal English now, to change the way something is like actually like, to provide your own custom. Maybe like um let me just give an let me see, let us like do it in maybe like still normal English. They call online. No? So override, override meaning to ignore to ignore or refuse to accept a suggestion, idea or method that already exists or operates. Abi now, my brother,
Yeah.
to set aside or disregard with superior authority, like to disregard or to disregard with superior authority or power, to take control over something, especially in order to change the way it operates. You can see that like it even relates to what to what I'm about to explain now. You, like just like take this meaning first. To ignore, look at the first one and the last one. To ignore or refuse to accept a suggestion. To ignore or refuse to accept a suggestion, idea, or method that already exists or operates. Abi? Or to take control over something, to have full control over it, especially in order to change the way it operates. So when I'm overriding, either I'm overriding an interface, I'll show you how to create Python interfaces too. Either or you can call them abstract classes. Like either I'm overriding something, when I'm overriding something, like I refuse to accept what is like what has been existing before. Like I want to provide my own custom more. Like I want to like have full control over it. Like I'm writing my own. So look at like this guy, this to string method here, it already exists here. But then I came here to come and define it here again. Yeah, like so I'm telling you, don't worry. Oh, I'm not using the one from my father. Oh. I'm using the one that myself defined. I'm disregarding my father's own. Like no, it is the one. I'm not like adopting the one from my father. You get though I'm able to vary this method because my father already has it. So like me too, I can now like inherit the method. But then after inheriting the method, I'm not changing the way it behaves. It works. That is like one thing that polymorphism. That's like one thing that polymorphism was trying to like achieve. He's trying to achieve generally like you inherit something, but then like at one time you change the way it behaves. So like if I if, for book for library item, if I tell you to print to string to print something like this title, maybe title, it is fall apart author Chino Achebe, publication year 1842, that kind of thing. But here now it is going to print it's going to print title, author, publication year, genre, and ISBN. You get, because I have overrode the method already. And now like I have provided custom implementation. Though after overriding the method, I still have to call my father, like, oh yeah, my father, give me your own and let me add my own too. So now I'm adding my father's own, like super. Super means like you are like making reference to the super class. You get, like you can like the subclass can make reference to the super class like with the super. Either like the method that defined the super class or the um all the fields that are defined there. So super dots, blah blah blah, super dot this, part of that. So now super dots to string. Then I concatenated it to this one, to the formatted string, to the formatted custom implementation of toString. So you get now. Do you understand now? Or I did not explain well.
I understand.
Should I explain again?
I understand. I'm seeing like the mistake in what I did.
All right.
Hmm.
So that is to string. That's like so now let me define for journal too. Volume. I suppose I'm coming. I'm coming. After I don't write this on issue. Boss man, I beg I dey come. My auntie don't come. Make I go greet that woman. Just come from my side today. No go jelly for no go meet am. I dey come, boss.
Okay.
So hey boss,
Um, please can
eh,
you pause? I
can
tried
I?
this thing when I was trying to.
You said
I tried to do something when I was doing mine. For example, um try to print out like a result for book.
for book and then let me like finish up now. Just comes.
Because with this same thing now, and if I like
Eh?
create like a sub variable for like book, for example, my book, and I create like a lot of parameters. I put in like the title and the author. That it will reject it to say that it just contains. It's supposed to just be field and ISBN.
Now. Ah. Oh, okay, okay. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Like you and I I don't see what they talk. You cannot pass in like constructor is a method. It's a special method,
Mm,
brother. So now I don't know why I was asking that the person that so the person understand method calls. How constructors call each other. So like this thing is a method. You define only two variables inside. So you cannot call. So you will not be able to pass in title auto and what's called no. So by default now, title auto and blah 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 they may be null or they may be like there will be nothing inside they will be null by default. So it's now you that you can now set them. You can set them. And if you wish to like instantiate them and like and like set their value from the beginning, then you can add it to the what's it called. I can just choose to like add title author and publication year to this place.
Yes, that's what I later did. But then, what's not the
But
point of it inheriting? Or why is it
which
inheritance when
it's
it's
not,
not like you have to
but then
do
like
everything again?
but then like I did not this thing now just super dot in it.
Yeah,
Now
that
I'm calling
function.
so now I will now call it super dot in it now. It will initialize that for me, and I'll continue my code instead of me having to write all these things. Can you
Yeah.
see it? So that's
Okay,
what I
this
will
is the
do.
same thing I do.
Eh? I swear to God. No, Allah. No, yeah, no, it is on my Abola Abolade 200. Abolade 200. Everything small caps. Let's come up for you, big. So volume should be the volume number of the listing and the issue number. Issue number. No, these ones are going to be integers. Bro, like I've answered the question.
Yeah.
Mike, eh?
Yes, you have. But then if
All
you
right.
put all those if you put all the parameters for like the superclass,
Yeah.
can you still override it with the get string function?
That out of string, Abby.
Mm.
Like
Like for this exactly where the
override the
jump of
parameters in
class
what way?
is.
Eh?
After
What?
putting the super dot in it and putting the super class there, like the method to
Yeah.
override it, does it still work?
I don't get the method to like make it. I don't get to.
So before you didn't put this super underscore. I'm talking about the dev init function,
Okay.
the first
The
so
constructor, Abby.
yeah. So after adding the title, author, and publication that is part of like the super class, when you come
Yes.
under and try to create like a method to override it, does it still work?
I did not override any constructor here. One thing is that
No,
you
I
don't
mean,
override constructors. You get. You don't override
oh,
constructors, number one. So implicitly, say do you understand how before I explain, do you understand how methods call each other, how functions call each other? And like do you understand the call? I've ever heard anything about call stack before. Call stack, method call stack or function call stack.
I've not heard. Oh,
Hey, listen, now why they always fear to what's the call with this?
okay. I wait. Is it? I might have heard of it. Oh, is it when you say like
No, see, but like, I'm not what's it called. Like you are new to that, you're kind of like new to Python now. So like no just what's it called. But then like there's no we're all human. I go see the physics supposed don't know. Oh god, I always explain this. So like there's how our code execute there's how like functions execute. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I read Python, but I know that I read JavaScript and I read Java one. I know that like, but then like everything are the same. Shit, like at least like function calls they're always the same. Okay.
hmm,
Python call stack. Maybe let me see if there will be anything different. Python call stack. Python method call stack. Python method call. One name might come from the ghetto. Nothing different now. Nothing different. So, bro, let me. Should I give my article on Costac? Well, that one is like. You guys give my article to go on Costac, but then I was explaining Costac now. So like, there's there's how method calls work. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm yeah, no, not now. I go to lock this place. All like this place really distract me. So um like there's way functions call each other in Python. And like let me really explain what is happening under the hood. Note that I want to explain how constructors call each other too, but then let me first show you how functions call each other. I may not define anything. I'll just go into code straight up. You know that normally, but I can just define the function. Now. Let me say def by base. I've been now
Yeah.
base money plate. Yeah. Abi def go to bin seller. Bin seller. Go to bin seller. Let's say taxing fair and vehicle. It's just Tiffin and vehicle now. Boss. So my slave. My slave dot Bibles. I can just say. Oh, okay. Then I did okay. Maybe I can do that one. So now, let's say like I want to buy beans now. Boss, they happy.
Yes.
So now, I'm hungry now. I want to eat now. Probably like, I called maybe one of my boys, one of my slaves. Hey, you're going to buy me beans. Let's say I call my slave to go and buy beans. So now, I think, yeah, now I call the function buy beans. I've been now,
Yeah.
buy beans, and I gave him money. I gave him money. Let's say I gave him 500 naira. And I gave him plate now. Let's say I gave him one cooler. Abi, now
Yeah.
I expect that this guy should return me beans. Return me my beans. My omewa. Abi now. Be well me then. You know that by method calls or function calls, me I don't really care how this guy buys the beans. I don't really care. I don't really care how he does this function. All I want is this guy should go and buy me beans. Abi now.
Yeah.
I don't want to know how he buys the beans. I don't want to know what he does. Go to bean seller. Let me even before go to bean seller self. Abi now. So now I don't want to know what he's doing, Abi. So this guy now, after buying the beans, prints. Okay, okay. I am off to get the beans. Abi now go to bean seller. Go to bean seller. Tife. Tife. Go to bean seller. I gave him money now, so now you put the money there now. And the vehicle that you want to, let's say that you enter Okada. Money for Okada. Abi?
Yeah.
So you can, at least this is the method call now. I call the method go to bean seller, right? Go to
Yeah.
bean
But
seller.
like this is like a different function within another function.
Yeah. Like I call the function within another function, Abi. You're just the loop. No
Mm.
worry. Moye Bolapo ni the way you're about to say it. Called called function. Go to bean seller. Wetin type now they do? Discard this changer. Go to bean seller. Right? Okay. When this guy finishes, now I go to the bean seller. Get beans from seller now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Get beans from seller. Let's say Tife and plate. Tife, money and plate. Yeah, the remaining. This guy will turn my balance for me after paying for vehicle. Turn my balance. Balance equals to this, balance. I mean, no, so balance now. Get beans from seller. This guy will give me the beans, and I'll return the beans. Give me the beans. This code no shall strange to you now.
Yeah, it's not.
Eh?
It's not. I just want to see like where you're driving to.
You just a look. Don't worry. Let me. This thing. Don't worry. Let me cook.
Okay.
Let me cook. The egg is saying continue say no. Say them yes. Done. Return beans. Return beans. So, Tiffany. Tiffany. Right. I boarded a vehicle. I paid this in the vehicle. paid. I paid Tifa minus, let's say minus 200. I paid Tifa minus 200. It will not. I paid 200. Paid Tifa. It gave him the money now, so I paid Tifa. So they should just return 500 minus Tifa. Don't let me overcomplicate it. Don't let me overcomplicate it. Balance go to being seller. So now I gave him the money now. You subtract. I gave the other guy the money. If you now give me change. 20 fair. It's 300. That's 300 now. It's done. What's that again? Yeah. Okay. We've noted everything. Boss, Mike, are you still there?
Yeah, wow.
What do you say? Good. So.
I just said wow.
Eh?
I just said wow.
Wow, what? Okay.
As a
You laugh at
programmer,
my funny analogy, Abi. My own say me you understand. What you understand it, huh?
eh?
Yeah, look at the like look at what I'm trying to like explain here. look at what I've cooked. I pray God, like, believe I don't cook nonsense. So okay, all time really something whereby like I sent my one of my boys to go and buy beans for me. He went to the bean seller now. I mean, I like he went to the, and he went to get the beans. First thing is he went to buy. Look at this function buy beans. Look at this like this parent function buy beans. It made a call to go to bean seller. Look, then after when he went to the bean seller now, he went through Okada. Like he went like he boarded Okada now. He gave them money. He gave the Okada the money. Then one remove his money and now give him change. The balance now that this was the remaining balance that I used to buy the beans from the seller now. I returned the beans. Okay,
Mm.
let me explain how cost stack work. Look at cost stack as because there's so while now. Should be you should still go church today now. But also like did you guys to stack your chair up after service? Like we were like like you guys will stack up the chairs the same way we used to do in party that after we finish the party we'll now stack up the chairs so that the people from that from the rental service that rented the chairs out will come and carry their chairs.
Yeah,
But you've seen how like we stack up chairs now,
yeah,
and in the kitchen too. If you are cooking or like if you're washing plates, the same way to stack up your plates. I mean now,
yeah.
okay. There's a data structure called stack. A data structure called stack.
Oh,
It's like eh?
oh. I think I've heard of something like that. But
So like
is it not
uh,
okay?
there's
Continue, sorry.
there's data structure that they call stack. The name is stack. So this is how stack works. Like it works with the first in first out mechanism mechanism, Jerry. Anyhow, the same way you stack up your plate, where like the first plate it was so no sorry that's the first in first sorry you now queue data structure be first in first out too. Stack na last in first out na LIFO. There's FIFO and LIFO. Last in first out. What do you mean by last in first out? The first item that goes into the data structure will be the last one to come out, and the last one that goes into the stack will be the first one to come out.
Oh yeah, it
Is
makes
it
perfect sense. I
Abi
can
now?
just imagine how like chairs work and like how everything.
Yeah, exactly. Uh, thank God I understand very because like the last person I explained this kind of thing for that guy. Well, I gas old chair go. I gas like stack up chairs. I swear to God Almighty. I walk. I got stuck up chairs. You see, when you understand. So I just think we said that place that like that place who been there they like chairs been there around and like so I got stack them up. So you don't that's how this chairs been now. So um like now now that you're picturing that chair like you're like you can you're like now like you're visualizing how like you put the first chair, put the second chair, you put the third chair till you put the last one after stacking them up. Can you like if you want to like get to that first chair, how we get to the first chair? Is
Hmm?
there way you can get to the first
You
chair?
have to bring out every single one out.
I've been every single one out Abi, without skipping anyone Abi.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
suppose. Yeah.
Like yeah, like even if you skip self go maybe like you can just carry two at a time, but still you're not but still like you're not skipping anyone actually. Not like
Yeah.
only if you go scatter the whole if you scatter the whole chain now. So like that's the same thing as well like a stack data structure works. Like it's a data structure like a list now, just that its own mechanism is that there's there's a way it stores data. So like look at stack as a vertical drum, or like a vertical frame that has different compartments inside it. You know how like you know the way we used to visualize list now. It's something like this now. Let me you know that we used to like look at lists like this. Then I'm coming. Oh, I beg, don't mind me. Olodoni boy. She na forward slash I they put. Using a pipe character they put forward slash or they. This is just forward slash for me. Okay, no, let me use underscore. Boss, boss, Mike, are
I
you
can
there?
hear you. Yeah.
Just like imagine like this thing is covered in the down part. Like these are visualized lists in memory now. I mean now, like in memory. Let's see like it has this first item, second item. I mean now,
Yeah.
third item. Abi, fourth
Mm.
item, fifth item, seven. Like so, like visualize them as mostly a box now. That is like a one-dimensional list. Abi now, like something horizontal.
Yeah.
Abi. Now look at stack as something vertical. Like if you should look at this thing like as it like raise it up like make it vertical with some imagination. Something vertical. Whereby like you know that with normal list I can change the way this guy works, Abi. I can as change the way to like I can modify the list, Abi. I can pick this index six now. This six I can like swap change the data that is inside. I can remove it and change size of the list. I can like remove this seven. I can just modify the list any I want. But stack
Yeah.
is a kind of different special data structure whereby like the way elements enter is like what's it called like it is only you can only enter through one door. There's only one door to add element to the list. It is one direction only by what's it called by I want to put it on my English ad a big like the stack the stack like it is you can only modify it in one way. Yeah, you can modify it in one way. Like there's only one way to modify it. Modify the what's it called like if you want to add item to the list, add item to the end of the list Jerry. So if you want to add an item to the stack, you have to add it to the end of the stack now. That is meaning that if there is if there is no data in the stack, meaning that the index zero is one at the end now. So like now you can add data to index zero. If you want to add another data, you have to add it to index one, index two, three, four, five, six, same as that here works. If you want to unstack it too, same way. Stacking and unstacking. You can like you add what's it called? You add them directly after each other. I mean now that's how stack works. You can like I don't know why at the Kalolo this night me modi the add I beg. But then why am I explaining stack? method called there's what they call method called stack. At least if I don't know much about programming languages, I know about Java, JavaScript, and Python. They use stacks to store method calls. Abu, do you wonder how how do you think your the like the method calls function calls is working under the hood? You just think that this guy will just average you like how do you think that this code is executing under the hood?
Um, I want to say, I want to say the one that you write first, you know, runs first. I, I don't know, like on my text bottom.
Okay, okay, okay. Just look at that call stack now. Now look at the method call stack as 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 a as a GP tank with compartments, with several compartments, and look at that GP tank as if it was 3D printed. Maybe it was 3D it was 3D it was 3D printed to have an task compartment, and also that you can also modify that tank. Like you can add more compartments into that tank, and you can remove the compartments. Look at that GP tank now. Just look at that. Look at the method call stack now as a GP tank. That's compartments. Each compartment is called activation frames. Just note that. How this guy works is that as I call this method now, once I call this method, under the hood, a stack will be created. Are you hearing me? For every
Yeah.
independent and new method call. You know that now. You know that now. You know that this one now is not independent to because like for every new and independent method call a stack is created now, right? After creating the stack, these by beans, this first method I call will be stored inside the stack. What is stored inside the stack exactly? The name of the method, the parameters, and the the identity of the method, the return value too. I'm multiply waking. So it will store data about this method, like this the metadata of this method and the address of this method, Jerry. Yes, yes, like the address of this method in memory. I know it may not make much sense. Just listen. It stores the address of this guy and so that metadata into that stack. That is like the index zero. Like it stores it and it starts executing. Oh, when it gets to this place, there's another method call. It adds this guy to the stack. It stops executing for buy beans and it enters go to bean seller. So now you know that it was executed by seller. It must have printed okay, I'm up to buy beans. And to stop buy beans is to come here, to come to bean seller. Exactly. It's come to bean seller. It's best leave all these ones. Come to bean seller. To come and print I am kidding. Okay. So now before it prints all these ones too, you should have stored this go to bean seller inside that same cost stack. Inside that cost stack at index zero. So I said index zero at index one.
Yeah.
That was actually those compartments in the tank that are the indexes. So now those activation frames. Now is after storing those, now it will store the metadata of go to beans inside of go to beans seller Jerry inside um the index one now and store the address too. Abi. Same as after it is done, like after it is done executing this one, it will come back. If it finishes this method and it does not encounter another method inside this one, after executing it will take this bean seller, this go to bean seller, it will remove it from the cost stack. Do you know why? Because
Remove it.
it did not encounter anything here. It printed it did not encounter any method call. So like there's nothing like do you know why it is turning methods inside the cost stack? Because it wants to execute them in a kind of like it wants to execute them step by step, and it wants to know where it stops execution before it goes to another method. You get. That is why it is telling them that okay, after studying this one, maybe when I'm done, I'll come and continue. My case,
Mm.
you don't lost. I don't lost you.
Okay.
Don't know what's it called, like me safe, like I know expected to make you understand anyhow like that. And I know
No,
expected to
I
make you
don't
understand.
understand. I don't understand. Like, how is it removing it from the coaster and bringing it back? Like, I go to the point, okay, like, um, get beans from Abi, go to bean seller is a second cost stack. But then why is he removing it?
Okay, before I answer the question, I should start this question first. Why is he storing it inside the cost stack first?
Because it's the second thing. Is
No. Like I'm not asking. Like it's a rhetorical question, rather a question I'll answer myself. So buy beans after executing buy beans. Now let me ask you a question now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I think I should have used a better Kinijari so that. But then no, wala. Let us say in a company now. In a company, there's the MD now, the GM, the AGM, the and maybe secretary, all those was like that. Just look at it. Or them using Unilag for example. Imagine say VC now want do something, right? Now what's go the VC called the HOD of engineering, that the HOD go and do this for me. The VC asked the HOD to do it, but then the HOD said if say him be organ now, say him instead another person now, he said in call one lecturer, maybe like one lecturer in engineering that, yeah, now you uh I say this thing, I say to the engineering Jerry, like the the VC called the
being
dean. Don't mind me, my brain is not okay. Like the VC called the dean now. Abi now, yeah, dean, oh, you're going to do something, oh, Abi. So that now the dean was like, myself, I be boss now. So now the dean called HOD of electrical engineering now. Abi now
yeah.
now you can see that the VC sent the dean. The dean was like the dean was feeling too big that myself I be boss, and I get people under me. Now he called HOD to go and do it. Now HOD has gone to do that thing. But then before HOD went, HOD was like, I'm used to be boss now. I get people they work under me too now. So now HOD just called one random lecturer, maybe like one junior lecturer in the department. Maybe one lecturer. Let's say lecturer is Dr. X, or like let's say like it is Doctor anything, or just one funny lecturer. Yeah, you go and do this. Now the lecturer was like, me too, I get students now. Now that lecturer also called the student to go and do that thing. Let's say the VC wanted to buy beans. Now VC wanted to buy beans, Abi. He called a dean. He called the dean to go and buy the beans. The dean called HOD to go and buy the beans. The HOD called the lecturer to go and buy the beans. The lecturer called the student to go and buy the beans. Michael, please, just follow me and don't get lost. Now the student went to buy the beans. We went to say yes to go and to go and buy the beans.
Yeah.
When the student got to say yes after buying the beans, now probably like when he got there, they do not have beans. Abi, they do not have
Mm.
beans. What will he do? What will the student do?
Um, the message will reverse back the same way it came from
Eh,
each stage to the next stage till it
Okay,
gets to the
okay,
base.
okay. Don't job. I still say you don't understand which I did. Like, I still say like now. Like, I know that like you get what I'm trying to say,
But then just calm down, just calm down, just calm down. Let me make sure that you get the footing. Just calm down. So now this that same student, he will go back to the lecturer. Abi, sir, there's no beans. Lecturer will go back to the HOD. Sir, there is no beans. The HOD will go back to the dean. Sir, there is no beans. You didn't go. The dean will go back to the VC. Man, there is no beans. Let me ask you a question. In the VC's mind, what she think? What is she thinking?
Um, I don't know if she's aware that other people went for the message apart from the dean that she sent.
Exactly, right, right. She's not aware. She doesn't care about what how the dean does the task. The task I sent is just do the task from just do my tasks. I don't care whether you send someone. I just want my bills, right?
Yeah.
And I expect you to return something to me. Do this tax and return. Do this tax and do this tax and return. I be now HOD called. What's it called? The dean when the dean since the dean knows that this guy does not really care about how I implement how I like do the task. Oh, let me do it in my own way. He only cares about my what I return. Like he only cares about the results. So now, same as the dean too, is he aware about what what the HOD did? No, Abby, he's not aware.
No.
The HOD too, is he aware about the what's it called the lecturer? No. The lecturer too that sent someone now. He does not know even whether the student also sent another person, right? So like they are not aware of like what the person they sent that to do what's it called? They don't really care about how the task is being done. Just that once they make a call that you go and do this for me, they don't really care about it done. What they are expecting is the return. Abi. Same as even the student who does not know that it was another person that sent the lecturer. Abi. He is thinking that
Yeah.
the business for the lecturer. So uh, same as the lecturer is thinking that the business for the HOD. Same thing, the HOD is thinking that the business for the dean. Only the dean knows that the beans is for the VC. Abi? Okay.
Yeah.
So now let me ask you a question. Does it make sense for the dean to go and tell the VC that ma what you sent me, I sent someone, but I don't remember who I sent?
Um,
Eh?
I don't think it's okay.
Or
It won't.
as the VC sent the dean now, the let's say the dean did not come back. Now the VC did not remember what she sent.
Hmm,
Eh?
I don't. I don't think it's okay.
Okay. Right. You don't think it's okay, Abby? Okay. Now, since the VC, like, since it doesn't make sense to forget, all these things that the VC would do to not forget what
Should
she
just
sent.
record that. Okay, this person that I'm sending, I is just like any issue about this. Is just this person. So like
Okay.
she don't need to know the whole detail, and then she just remember that
She
anything
only wants
about
to
being,
know who she sent Abby. Like, she should just keep record of
yeah, just
the
not
person she sent
specific detail.
Abby now. Exactly. You did. No worry. You just dey follow me. You just follow me. They go. You go grab this thing fully. Now, like, she only needs to keep track of the person she sent Abby.
Yeah.
Same as the dean. I'll ask you, does it make sense for the dean to go and tell the VC that ma, I don't remember who I sent. I said to somebody like, I don't remember where I sent your beans. Does it make any sense? No, Abby.
It doesn't.
The HOD too. Does it make any sense that HOD, sir, I sent someone your beans to? but really I don't remember what I sent. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Whether I will pay out of my salary, I'll find another way to pay you back. Maybe the person took the beans away, and like the person ran away with the money and the plates. So like I don't remember the bean. Like I don't remember the what I sent the beans. Does it make any sense?
Mm.
Now like that kind of thing does not make sense now to the to like what's it called, like from top to bottom, from the visit to the students. It doesn't make any sense for them to forget. For them to forget that. Same way it doesn't make sense for the visit to forget. It doesn't make sense for the student to forget who sent him the beans. Let's say after the student have bought the beans now and said yes now. Does it make any sense that the student on my way to this beans now? Who sent me this beans?
It doesn't make sense because
Ma- Abi,
you
she go
just
through, go through where the beans are. Abi, go chop the beans. If they know you can't find them later. So does it make sense too for the lecturer to forget who sent him the beans? Same no, Abi. Same as
yeah
it doesn't make sense for um the HOD to forget who sent him. It doesn't make sense too for the dean to forget that the VC sent him. Now even worse pass. VC send you something. She say you forget, so she send you. So you know, Abi.
yeah
So
no
now like hence why like all of them, what they be doing to forget is that kind of like keep a record of who sent them. Abi now
yeah
the VC will keep record of the fact that she sent the HOD. HOD also keep record of the fact that the VC sent him. Abi, sorry, Jadi. I mean the dean. VC will keep record of the dean that I sent the dean. The dean will keep record of the HOD. The HOD will keep record of the lecturer. The lecturer will keep record of the students. Abi, bro,
yeah
that's the same thing that's happening in Costac, in method Costac. I made a call to Omiewa to buy beans here in memory under the hood. Data about these buy beans is stored inside a core stack index 0. While executing, this guy he said, okay, I don't go buy the beans. So he noticed say in guys go bean seller side. In call function go to bean seller. I be now
mm.
in call function go to bean seller. Do you know that it has stopped the execution? Like it paused execution. After I printed okay, if I put another print function here, I swear it's VS Code like mad. It's good to make you they type some things yourself. Now, so if I look at this print I, this will not print though. It's not print yet. You are aware, Abi?
Yeah, it'll be like the fourth thing to print
to
or like the fifth.
to do Abi. Yeah, like it will do it execute this line. Like, it's not so now. So now, do you know that before it print this I, it must have done a lot of things. Look at these two lines. It got to buy beans. Like, so now, like you go to this line, it notices that there's a method called, so now it will stop execution for buy beans, and it will enter this method. But
Yeah,
then before entering the method, too, do you know that this is a method? This is a method. That's a method call now. It will store this guy to data about this guy into the cost stack. That is index 2 now. That is it's inside that the second compartment. Abi now.
yeah.
All right.
Oh,
So now,
wow.
why do you think is like why do you think it is storing the data? It is storing the metadata about this go to bin seller. If it is done, yeah, now you know that like inside this go to bin seller now, inside this go to bin seller, do you know that it does not encounter any method call? How will you go back if it does not keep if it does not keep track of who called it? How will you go back? But then inside the core stack, it already knows that, oh, once I'm done, oh, I'm transferring control, transfer of control, what's it called? Transfer of control. I don't know if you read about that. I'm transferring control back to this guy, back to Bybins. I'm reporting back to him that, sir, I'm done with the task you asked me to do. The HOD is reporting back to Dean that, Dean, oh, sir, I'm done. So now the HOD has to keep the HOD has to remember that this the Dean sent him something. Now it's inside the core stack. Inside the core stack, oh, after this guy is done, it will transfer control back to Bybins. And once it's done, then it will remove this guy from the equation. It will remove go to beans from the equation that you are done already. It will remove him. This go to beans, like it will remove him from the core stack that you are done executing. Get out of here, and to go to the next line. It's not another method here now. You know that now this guy was at index. This go to beans was at index one. No, now it is no more there. Get beans from seller will not be at index one because it has, like, after executing go to beans, it did not meet any it did not meet any other method call again. So like it executed it and it finished it. So like it will remove from the core stack. It go to get beans from seller. Now after executing this one, now the return function of this guy, the balance, it's passing to get beans from seller after paying the seller. And now look at this, get me from seller now. It will do the same thing. The metadata about get me from seller will be stored inside the core stack. Abi, and
Yeah.
once it is then, you know that it did not like encounter any other method coincide here now. So it will print all these things to, like, and to return now. Now after executing two, it needs a way to go back to who called it. Abi, it will refer to the core stack. Oh yeah, now, the address of my caller. Now it will transfer control back to Bybins after executing. So I'm done with what you said. Yeah, take your beans. Abi, now
Yeah.
it remove that guy from the core stack. Now now after doing this one, now it remove get beans from seller from the core stack too. Now there's only one method remaining in the core stack: buy beans 2 now print I, then it will return beans. It will now return beans to Omiewa, and so it will remove this guy. It will remove buy beans 2 from the core stack. Now the core stack is empty, and to clear it away from memory, and Omiewa cannot do what he wants to do with the beans.
Wow.
Okay.
So the only thing that is left in the call stack is it the Bybins and the print high?
Like, there's nothing left in the core stack. Oh. After buy beans has returned to Omiewa, it has returned control to Omiewa now. It is done. The core stack will be cleared.
Wow. Wow.
Like,
Okay.
this doesn't make any sense to you.
Um. Yeah. The everything makes sense, but why are they? I mean, okay. But why are they adding things up just so that they'll remove everything? Okay, now I get what I'm saying. I get everything now.
To keep track of what is going on now. So like, hence why they cut the cost. Imagine that the data structure is not a stack. Imagine that the data structure is like a list. Say like somehow we go feed and move anyhow. See, like, the execution has to be direct. The execution has to be from top to bottom and bottom to up. You must not skip it. You must not skip any step. Imagine that the
Yeah.
student went to give the beans to the HOD, or the student wants to give the beans to the VC straight. Basically, be like, no be you send, do I send person beans, but no be you send beans. That kind of thing now, Abi. And so like want a single one line listing, like one liner step of execution, that the execution straight down, and
Straight back up.
yeah, and straight back up.
I want to ask a question. So, like, what did you use to, you know, make this entire program a call stack? Like, how do you know this is a code? Like, how do you make sure that it runs like one way back and forth?
Like by default, that's how it runs now. If I don't make any method call now, like if I not if I you know that inside here too, I can define another method.
Ah,
I can define another method. Uh, it be Abi. Uh, this guy too. I can define another function here too.
Jesus Christ.
See, see, you call 5 million methods. That's how to be going. But then there's a limit to cost tax to this thing. There's a limit. The only limit is the memory of your system. I've heard about Stack Overflow error.
I think there's a website for that.
There's the Stack Overflow website. Yes, but then I've heard about Stack Overflow before. Stack Overflow error before.
No?
Should be you're the one that was showing how to create custom errors yesterday, Abby. Abby now.
Yeah.
Should I leave this to go and learn it or like or more? You know, see what you want to do this time, we never do them. That guy, oh Lord. Now I always fear. You know, say all this to see. Look at it. You know, see, we never start Django. I can't explain what I'm supposed to explain. Guy, I swear I'm not gonna explain it. Anybody, or guy. As, now, why I dey try this show say okay memory error. Well. Maybe actually we cannot run to memory error. Actually, it's placed in my system. Look at this overflow error. This is what you're looking at. This is an error caused by. It's an error like that. That mostly caused by cost. By this thing. This thing. It is caused when look at that. Look at that cost tag now. After imagine, you know that you can continue calling methods by calling and 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 calling. Let me uh, let me this thing pause.
But even though you get this Stack Overflow error, that doesn't mean that there's literally no space in your system again.
They play. You dey look. You dey look.
Jesus.
No now. Oh, are you in engineering?
Me?
What department are you?
In science.
Since so we can understand now. You know as how like hardware devices when they like work with softwares. You know as how like how your laptop, how your system allocates memory to your to applications. Okay, let me explain it to you right now. Also also like computer science fundamentals. So like normally when a system starts up, it allocates memory to some applications that require like as I open like you know that by default my system like Python is running on my system, Java is running on my system, like I have Python installed on my system already.
Mm.
So so now now, as I like start up my system, it will allocate a memory to some particular application on the system, and and Python is one of them. Let's say like it allocates 2 gig, or let's say like it allocates 200 MB to Python right now. So everything I want to be working with, every code I want to be writing, it must not every if I want to run my server, if I want to run my code, it must not pass that 200 MB. Once it exists, it exceeds. Python because Python are going to think they don't have G. Hey, Python are going to think say na the say like the space wey my system allocate give am say na the limit of my system be that. They go dey think say na 200 MB be the all the space within my system. And so once it was calling that thing and the call stack is full after calling and calling and calling and calling and calling and calling and calling, the 200 MB don come full like e don reach already. It will return. Now it will be like okay, it will be like this guy system no get memory again. Now it will throw that overflow error. I'll simulate it now.
Wow.
Let me call my base
So
again.
you want to do it now?
Let me call my base again. Oh, eh?
But
You
if you are
fool, yeah.
calling by it should just be a loop that'll keep on
Eh?
going.
Yeah,
If you are
exactly.
calling by beans, within by beans, it should just be a loop.
Yeah, like I'm not to do recursion here. Recursion is like a loop, calling a method inside each other. You go see this thing now. You go see war and command line. Even syntax, where is that? Now what? What's the download? Now what now? Say, I swear now why me I don't like this VS Code? I swear. See, on those the things in a bias. Wallahi, if I patch and wallahi, if you don't know where they already come, wetin be all this white thing where they write for this thing like this? Like one, valid syntax.
I think is it what do you mean to call that himself? Um Normally I use something that kind of is it extension? Yeah, like a VS Code extension that like highlights the errors. So I think you have to download an
Mm-mm.
extension that
Look at this error now. Like it's in very syntax where this which one this. Why they print this thing? Who they ask you say me print anything? They mad. Okay, it is running this thing in interactive mode. Okay, recursion error. Okay, there's okay. Uh, I want you to show the overflow error. Let me let me let me add a loop for I mm, for I in range 0. Then
Uh,
I swear, I don't know. I want to simulate this overflow error. Sometimes some people just say, oh, I'm version. Okay, it's not execute actually. It's not execute. Quando fez chip, bom, em vez. Bom, você não vou ter um negócio de preto antigo. But this overflow error, like you mostly like face this error when the cost stack is already full. So you know that overflow error to happens in real life. Do you know that there's a level to which you can stack up the chairs? At some point, you're never able to you're never able to stack up the chairs together and like they'll start falling.
yeah,
You agree with me? Same as you're stacking up tires, car tires. If you go to those mechanic shop, I will do this thing. Like they cannot just stack up tires to get to reach the sky now. At some point, it will start falling off. Like it will not like it's not able to work and everything will just fall. There, the stack was already full, and so like it had to overflow. I think the English overflow makes sense in that context. Like now, very full, and so like it was overflowing. Same as plates. Let's say like you were stacking on ceramic plates. Now they got to a point that they could that like, you could not stack them up again, and like it was already this thing like you know so like it's already too high. You stack them too high already. They, they'll start falling now, and once they fall, they'll shatter. Abi? So
yeah,
that was like that's an example of stack overflow error. Stack overflow error, overflow error, overflow error. So that it happens when the cost stack is already full. And so and you it's already full, and you're not still attempting to add more this thing to it. So the, you it's not allowed to add it. And so you also that you'll be running into a stack overflow error. So like if the 200 MB is already full, is already used up. I'm sorry, you run into memory error or stack overflow error depending on the context. So like you can say that you can either see memory error or stack overflow error depending on what you're trying to do. So that's my one small bit about it. You can go and read up on it, yeah. Chotigbo?
yeah. There's so
Okay,
many things that I even need to read up on. Like this weekend is already gone. Very
don't
sad.
worry. No, no, small. Just be dedicated to it and like learn from a like structured module. Don't just be learning here and there. If you're learning here and there, I'm sorry. Let's say you just say like you done the code for like 3 years. You never this thing. Wait, ask me how many years I am into programming.
How many?
2 years.
Are you serious?
So I said to God. And I'm writing up to like 5 languages professionally right now. I
Wow.
write Java. I write Java professionally. I write Python. I write JavaScript. I write C Sharp and I write C++. I write TypeScript too. I write React front end. I write back end. Like I do data science. I can teach you NumPy and pandas in data science. I do DevOps too.
Jesus Christ. How does somebody like do
In
all
short,
of those
in
things?
short, in short, in short, in short, like right now, safe. After that, my blocking development this thing. Not like I'm learning solidity
Jesus
and I'm
Christ.
working.
Wait, I am currently working and you're like doing all this stuff. To be honest,
Yeah.
it's I don't even know if
Yeah.
it's if I'll blame it.
Don't worry. Like so like those kind of thing not normally, but what helped me to learn all these things at some point is that I follow the structured module.
Oh,
In short, like where I went to learn programming, safe it was a physical school. Now, like I say, we did go class every day, 9 to 5, for a whole 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah, like 9 to 5 every day for the whole 365 days. Then apart from weekends, yeah, and public holidays. Even public holidays, sef, go we go day. If we get public holiday, even in October one self go we go day class go day. June 27, because we June 27 no. Now only all this Ilea, Easter, and Christmas, those kind of thing. They go like through now. They go through now self go na 1 day to Ilea, like only that Ilea day, maybe like the next 2 days or so come back. So but then like they like we have like we have a like structured model that we use then. Like we're taught software engineering. Before then, like I did not have any experience of computer science now. Look at me. In short, I'm not even computer science department self. Like I'm not even science self. I'm in engineering.
They're in computer engineering.
No. Systems engineering.
That's true. Almost everybody in that systems engineering, they're like just very
You
mad
know,
people.
say most of us one learn software engineering actually, or like most of us one learn robotics. But
Mm.
then you lag no can get. You lag get systems. So I would think most of us compete with that. You say they get robotics, or they get or they get software engineering. We no go to see for that system because most of us I say I want learn robotics, so I want learn software engineering. No. Now what I want to be that too. So make a like and I want go in lag. So make I just pick so the systems engineering. Jerry. So that's why you see most of us for there.
Mm. I think I even know someone that um that haven't finished from systems. Like they all of them that come out from systems are very good um programmers actually. I don't know. I was speaking to somebody, they were like, okay, it's because of how this thing is taught or somehow that they use computer science to solve problems rather than people who just studied computer science like normally like that.
Mm-hmm.
So
Normally, but engineering this thing in practice. You see that like
yeah,
look at someone that studies physics now and someone that study mathematics. So those one are they studied like they know mathematics a bit, like they know the fundamentals, they know everything. They can do math like really, but apply it and everything. But we apply for real life.
yeah.
Exactly.
I think at that point, that's why me at some point I get really frustrated with my degree sometimes because God,
Right. What
like
what what, what are you studying?
oh biochemistry.
Yeah. You, you have your own niche now. When it's not you are
Yeah,
doing it, like the people we are not the later on all these education guys.
that
I don't know them at all. Kai. I will just smell say you
like,
ba.
no,
God
they
forgive me.
actually
So
honestly they just it's just like a lot of material and then at the end just too many notes.
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But at the same time, I used to I enjoy it though. But you know, it's just like okay, then we are learning all these things. How are we applying it? Like how are we solving problems? It's just there.
Hmm. Well,
I
I
think
think it is well, do you know why I'm saying this? I think it is because like I'm guessing like why did you pick that biochemistry really was that what you really want to study? Was that was that what you wanted to study?
um yeah, it was like a combination of the things I wanted to study. So
But like
basically I just studied like because when I finished school or when I was in secondary school, I was like, biology was my best subject. So I wanted to
eh?
like do biology.
Biology. Kai. So I should say be man like this.
ah,
You just say no, you just
but
say no be woman. She said no be woman. Biology, that kind note. I beg you. Like I didn't feel biology in school, but then like I just hated it because the note was too much.
yeah, it's too much content. And even now at some points, like sometimes I'm like, God, like every semester, you just have to start. And the thing is that unfortunately, there's no way that you just have to memorize some
Hmm.
things.
Yeah,
And then
memorize. And me like I hate memorizing. You don't want to know how like it was when I was in junior class in secondary school that I used to memorize before I go to exam. I swear, a day to exam, I feel just carry one note and I go pass the exam. I swear to God, I go cram that time. I think when I got to senior class, I lost my ability to memorize a lot of things. I don't like. I ask myself that. I will tell myself that, oh, yeah, let me quickly cram. I'll find myself reading. If I know it's like after reading that thing, like I'll try and be now. I'll not try. A day to exam, I'll call it try to understand what they did. I say, oh, more. So once I noticed that, I knew that cramming is not for me. Cramming is not for me. If I want cram, say maybe I just want small thing, just about the cram one small thing. I cannot cram. I cannot cram a whole syllabus. I be a whole
yeah,
curriculum.
you have to. I swear to God, and everybody in my department, like because even the way our own is very different. Like if anybody's in biological sciences, they know how like biochemistry can be very intense. So you have to start from the beginning of the semester and like start memorizing because they're almost telling like a whole textbook.
So I memorize a cram. Okay, no, I'm not good at that at all. And so if I want to, I probably just need to start very early so that I'll not Jones during the exam.
Yeah, you have to start very. I think it was recently, like the past 2 semesters, when I was taking stats and math courses with like CS courses. I was like,
Mm.
Jesus Christ, studying something with logic is very interesting.
Interesting. See. I won't lie to you. Engineering. See, but my department is interesting. I beg. I won't lie to you. Like, I'm happy that I'm studying what I see. In short, it's in secondary school. Say, like, when my senior class, I see if I'm reading and I'm understanding that thing, I used to be happy because see, like, I'm seeing something that are real, that are real life, like, and something that are logical. It's actually interesting. I'm just cramming things. God, just cramming to pass. Just cram 'em. Those kind of things, it lead to frustration, actually. So
Yeah.
like,
And the annoying thing is that even though you've started cramming at the beginning of the semester, if you don't revise it like a day before the exam, I swear you just jones in the exam hall.
hmm, hmm. My own is that
And
there are some courses that you will need to like even you see even the last even the assembly you have paper, even if you've read in the beginning of the semester, you still need to read that thing. That course go on you.
yeah,
Yeah, like there are courses like that. But do you know that there are courses that I not read. I swear to God, I don't go to one class. And those courses, I know that I'll get A in those courses. See, I know about attendance. Last semester, my Python, like we did Python. I swear, I did not Python, it's in Python where they teach. I did not go to class. I did not if attendance. In short, I never have any assignments. But then, like, I still had it in the course because me, I was confident that all I needed to do was that that's something that's something
that same day that we had the exam, I looked at the slides. I tried to like compare what I know to what the lecturer taught us, so that I'll give him exactly what he taught us, and I went to do the exam. Same as this semester too. My EG 224, my EG 224, my SSG 226. Those things were like the things I already like have an idea of. I went to only few class. SSG 226. I don't go for any class. It was EG 224. I went for some classes because I know that I still need to read some. And so
Yeah.
I'm by God's grace. Like I just make I look am. May no be like I said I dey do it too no. It was fine. Yeah. So
Yeah. The only solace that I take is that right now, most of my projects or what I've done is mostly like building things like building computer science or building software solutions for like problems or like issues related to like
mhm,
my degree, so to speak.
mhm. Oh
So that's the only satisfaction that I get. That I do
yeah.
enjoy it though. I do enjoy studying it. Like I do enjoy what they teach, but the fact that it's just theory and like heavy content and
Sorry.
you don't get to do anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets like okay, you get bored of it. Not like bored of it, but you just get frustrated like having to memorize so
I
many things to pass an exam.
understand that kind of thing. I get that kind of thing. Like maybe you actually need to do something hands on now. You don't dey learn all this
Yeah,
while. More try. Yeah, I get. That kind of thing. It can be really frustrating, not to lie. It can be really frustrating. So good this thing. At least you said enter tech now. So no worry. Just should I relax. I will call him. Just no, just continue your stuff. But follow the advice I give. Try and follow this thing, a structured module. Don't see like don't be all these guys that just go to YouTube one day, go and learn from YouTube. Guy, you don't want to get frustrated though. It's the same Django that I want to teach. Friday Django. I was taught Django then, no. Like I was taught Django fully, but then like I was still like bent on my Java on Spring Boot. That more. I don't think I want to like learn Django Jare. But at some point when I was searching for jobs, I did not see job. I say, but I sabi Django now, I sabi front end. Make I learn that one too. Make I try see if I go get Python job. Do like say that time. So I never I don't later see a Python job. So it was a Java job that I saw. But then like I did not. I just say make I pick up my Django skills. But that was after my 1 year. That was like it was this CSF. I can't learn with YouTube. Like someone bought a Django course for me. Then I did the Django course, but then after 1 month, I did not let it finish. I could not access the course again. I can't see more. Oh yeah, make I go enter YouTube. I'm mad. See, follow us. See, but funny as how even they say that same YouTube, it is not as if I went to YouTube randomly. Oh. There's this guy that I met on Reddit on Reddit. Sorry, I talked to the guy and that I wanted to learn this thing, and he said that he has a course on Django now that he teaches Django on YouTube too. That I should go and check his channel. I went to check. He gave me a link to his channel. I went to check his channel, and I saw the course. I said, oh yeah, now this one is a structured module, bro. I still got lost. I swear. That same thing, but I joined the Discord community. I asked them too. What's it called? They gave me blah 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 blah. But before I really grabbed this thing, I swear, oh, just it better me you just get a person who could teach you this thing structured way. Someone already knows that from top to bottom. This is what you need to learn. I mean, you go to learn X today, learn T tomorrow, can't learn Y next tomorrow. Can't define we put them together. Oh, you go want stop say, well, I'm not even a learn again, self. I swear, not even a learn again. So always try and follow structured model. I beg anything you want to learn. Else it's gonna get really frustrating. Like, frustrating. So more completely what we try to do. So bro, I explained course stack abi method. Now let me go to this constructor course. Do you agree that every class in Python implicitly inherits from class object from object? Look at it.
Hmm?
Under the hood, this code is 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 translated like this: obje object. This thing I've seen is actually there, just that it is invisible. Control
Hmm.
click.
Oh, so it's oh
You see all the look at it, all the methods there. Doc. You can see that this guy, you can see that this guy did not inherit from anything now. Just there now. Doc, new, core. Look at str. You can see that this is how they defined it, and they did not provide any implementation. Equals new, where's new init, call, get attribute size or format hash, that's hash code, and to string str and rpr, set attribute, delete attributes, blah blah blah, reduce, get state, yeah, those kind of things, format, so on and so forth. Those like the methods in class object, in Python class object. Look at the distance to doc name, module, annotations, the variables in class objects. I think name should be here now. That dot name. That name don't have variable. Where is it? Wow. That's property. Yeah. Oh. Maybe if I go check online, maybe I go try that out. So every class is from class object implicitly. So when you define a constructor of a class, whether you like it or not, see here, look at this side, in this place, like this 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 constructor now. If you want to execute, you know, like how do you think is like how do you think is executing?
hmm?
This constructor now, how do you think it is executing?
Is it the dev in it?
Yeah, the definite.
Is taking the parameters. Okay, it's using the object in the that place you right click or something
Yeah,
like that.
she's coming here now. Assign this guy to this one. Assign title to save the title. Assign author to save the author. Assign publication to save the publication. Yeah, Abi. I mean, like it will start from here now. Abi now.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry to say that's a lie. It is doing this thing first. Super.
So
It
this
will
is the
call
main one.
it will call super dot init first. Init.
Wow.
Under the wood implicit, whether I like it or not, whether I put this thing or not, it will call super dot init. So it will call the init in class object. If I control click this one now, it will take me to class objects. Control click. It will take me to the init. You can see it.
Yeah.
Why did you come here? Did I tell you that I should inherit from class object? Like did I tell you to come here? Like did I did I say anything about objects here? No, Abby.
Yeah.
Exactly. But then, so that tells you that implicitly every class in Python inherits from class objects. Hence why by default, like every constructor will first call this the direct superclass. So like there's what we call direct inheritance. like they call the direct inheritance. As I'm going now, I'll explain it. So if you call subpilot in it first, so is execute this in it. If object 2 inherits from another class 2, that one too call in it that in that place, and the method called stack starts. Remember that constructors are also methods. At least you can see
Yeah,
def now. Just that like there are special methods that are used to initialize objects of a particular class after, upon creation.
yeah.
Right? Exactly. So um once you called superdot in it,
Are you
like
not supposed to put like title, author, and
no
publication
no
here inside the
my brother. When we define init in this place, the it should be that the init with the object we dey call like this abi. The did you see any parameter here?
oh, self?
Okay. Self is not a parameter now. Self is like a this reference. Oh, sorry. Like self is like a reference to you can see that in this place now. I did not put any self here now because this one's there are functions now. Self is the reference that we pass into as parameter to methods so that they can use it to access the object. Like that self is like an object of the class of the distinct. I can I can I can print self now. Yeah, now I can print self, and to print the object of this class. Let me let me print it down. Oh, okay, make capital F first. Print self. Like that self is a reference to the object of the class. You get it's a reference to that, so that current object that is being created from that class. Am I making any sense?
Yeah,
This self is a reference to the object that is being created from that class. If I print self now, here now self no go the object is empty now, like that to anything, nothing good there. It will probably even print the address of the class self if you never do the init. But then after initialization, if I print self, it will start to print. So that is now by default. Even look at the super dot init that I put here now. Now I think there'll be a problem here because normally, by the first thing, this is the constructor is the first thing that's supposed to happen. But here I am putting it. I'm telling you to print self first. It's either it overlooks this thing and like itself by itself, like call super dot init first before it's to print. In a language like Java, it will throw error. Like Java be like it will be like a syntax error self. Like nah, like it will be a syntax error self because the 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 call to the super what's it called, the call to the super class constructor should be the first thing. It should be the first thing on the first line in the constructor of the subclass. So Python now may ignore it. It may not throw error. It may ignore it and just call super dot init first. Then I have to call it again the second time after it print itself, or it's just throw error and say that no, you are defining it up. But I think it's just ignore it because uh, Python is more lenient compared to Java. So with what I'm saying, library item, the constructor of library item, it will first call the constructor in object. But now let us come to book. Book. What I How do you think book the constructor of book? How do you think it to execute? Make I come out this one first.
So I think it goes to super dot init and then go and get the parameters for the super class.
No, remember, I not put all this thing there. Say, remember, say like I just put on there recently. Remember, say like na the constructor where I add be this.
Okay. So it goes directly, the init makes it go directly to start from genre, and then it
Mhm.
prints the results for genre and ISBN.
My bro come again. You confuse me. Oh. Abeg, yeah, come again, abeg.
Okay. So for the one for book, since
Yeah.
the parameters of the distance is not there, of the superclass is not there, so the as you put the constructor dev dot in it goes straight to the self genre, except you now put the super underscore this thing. That's when you now start getting parameters for the super from the super class. That's library item. But then from
Oh,
here it just goes direct to self dot.
genre abi underscore genre abi.
Yeah.
What a genius. Yeah, clap for yourself. To back part I want you. If you clap, if you clap for that side, you don't chop bizo. Ah, all right. So that is not how it executes. I think that by default, implicitly, whether it likes it or not, it will call the constructor to the super, like it will call the constructor of the super class. So whether I add super dot in it or not, it will call super dot in it.
I think there's like a oh,
And the person, what is it called? And the person, this thing, maybe null also, maybe none. Okay, Python does not really have null. Um, it's just probably leave it alone, or like passing some default value into it. Tab 9 can issue now. It's just passing that default value into it since there are strings or null. Either making null or passing that default value. I don't remember the one that you to do, so like I don't want to listen as well, and I'm already tired. Or do you want to me online and just ask? I beg you, I don't tired, Jerry. I know that like it will just pass in either an empty string or like passing null to it, or like make make those field null, so that if you call self the title, there's nothing there. Self dot author, there's nothing there. Self the publication, there's nothing there. That is inside the library, inside the book class. But then do you, do you like after it calls in it now, according to the call stack, like it will come here to come here execute abi now. Like
yeah. I wanted to say something about this your super in the book
yes,
class. You didn't have like the parenthesis. There's one thing.
he did it there now.
No, it's only the inits that have it. Super is
Hey,
supposed to have like
sorry,
yeah, I was
sorry.
even reading it like different kind of
Don't mind me, Jara. Mind me. So it will come to this init abi. Boss man with call stack. If he wants to execute the init too. Remember that I said that the first thing in line that implicitly is that it will call super dot init again too.
Mm.
Super dot init. So this copilot load doni baba load doni. No anything. No even no person, person no even need the help. So super dot init implicitly it calls this guy. So you can see how constructor calls is doing. I be same as method call, same as normal method call. From here, I created an object of the. I wanted to create I wanted to create an object of this class. It calls in it calls in it like it comes to init tabi. It calls the method init tabi. Yeah, constructor. Yeah, construct the object. Now init calls its own superclass because it inherits from library item. Library item will come here to it should remember that it inherits from object and to call his own too. If object two inherits from this thing too, it inherit from another class, object will call the that one in it too, and so like I remember how they have been stored in the call stack. Now like for a wait method call, it will be storing them, and so once one is done executing, they will leave the stack. They will leave the stack and like return control to the caller. But you ask me one question: why is book not? Should I said that um every class in Python inherits from object. Why is book not calling library item straight up? Sorry. Why is book not calling the constructor of an object straight up? Why is it calling the constructor of library item?
Because it's a subclass.
Ah, but book is also a class now. I said every class in Python inherits from objects.
You know, normally in library item, that place that inside that bracket there used to be objects there. But in book,
Yes.
where there's objects, there's a library item.
But then like Python allows for multiple inheritance now.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, like I can just put I can do multiple inheritance now. And, you know, I can have as much as I want. So
Then okay.
so like there's what they call multi-level. Shouldn't have multi-level this thing. All this I've been explaining for you now. Oh, so my first one.
I think there's multi-level, there's hierarchical,
Yeah, exactly. I explained it here now. Was it advanced?
and there's multiple again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
multiple inheritance. You see, no, it is not here. This one I was explaining polymorphism and show classes and this thing. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, let me just come back to this place, Jerry. I'll be like, the foundation of OOP, protecting your data, OAD, inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Okay, here we go. Types of inheritance. A single inheritance. A subclass inherits from one superclass. Book inherits from library item. Multiple inheritance. A subclass inherits from more than one superclass. Not supported in all languages like Java. Java no fit you no fit do multiple inheritance like you go flag am. Multi-level inheritance. A subclass inherits from another subclass, creating a chain of inheritance. That is what is happening in our this thing in our code there. Book inherits from
Library
library
item.
item, and library item inherits from object. So book also book would have inherited from object directly, But then it does not need to inherit from object again because everything that's library item inherit from object, book has also inherited it from library item.
Yeah.
So like it doesn't need to it just needs to do like it doesn't need to do multiple inheritance. Like it just needs to like work with multi-level inheritance.
Mm.
You get
Yeah.
so like so like directly or indirectly, book is also an object because book inherits from class object. Like is also like like it's like grandfather to father, everything. If my father inherits something from my grandfather, I don't need to go and inherit from my grandfather again. I just need to inherit those things from my father, and I'll be fine. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? I'm sorry, what I'm
Mm.
explaining, Gary. Eh?
I understand.
All right, all right. So that's how that multi-level inheritance works. Hence why when I call init or book, when the book is like it calls super.init, which is library items, init, and library items too. It calls its own super.init too, which is objects init. If objects will also inherit from another class, it will also call that one init too. And but then like it does not inherit from any other class. So is the base class from which all classes of in Python inherit. So that is how that is how constructor calls work. That was what made me I haven't forgotten what made me wanted to use that. What made me explain call stack before I explained constructor call. So it's 16 on Mac. Walai. Okay. You see now why are they like shouting more do this our Python refresher, more do alright. Because if I start that Django, not because I know people they ask you, do you know this thing? I was just asking that, do you understand this thing? I swear I did not charge my phone. I think I'm dead. Eh, there's no light. Uh, and I don't sleep and like eh, no, there's going to be a problem. I will do alright. I was trying to implement this guy. Let me just let me just finish the implementation and get the fuck off over here. I know like as they go up and down. Like I put on they read the instruction from me. I be like,
Mm.
so create class magazine. I have the magazine fields issuer and editor. Issue month and editor, then to string. Definite. 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 I remember this my guys. Definite. Um I have issue month and editor. Issue month should be of type string. Month, issue month, and editor issue month. Get out. Pass. Issue month. Editor. Editor. Alright. Then to string.
What is the use of putting this um dot string again here?
Super to string of it. Yeah, I want to call the to string of the super this now. I'm concatenating this so that it will return this guy for me. It will return the string representation of this guy of title, author, and publication. You know that I'm not defining it here.
Mm.
Yes. If I don't want it, I'll just remove it and it until to show issue and issue mode an editor for me. Though even if this ones, even if I pass in there, even I pass in values into them and like giving them values. Right now, I'll just be having issue mode an editor. But then I need to show try to show the whole magazine, show the whole data of the magazine that the name, the what's it called, the author, the title, the publication year, the issue month, and the editor. You get to
Yeah.
loving it. So there's something about they said advanced great class reference book. Show that from and great book is that they cannot be borrowed. So by default, meaning that every book can borrow me. Every item dot borrow. So every so all of them will write this method. They borrow. If I should say, if I should say this, they collect my name. This they collect my voice.
What's that?
This is did you see that like this tab 9? This thing works with voice. I swear to God. I swear. It works with voice, Joe. Why does it? I never go catch these people. They are like listening to my and I'll block it. I'll check the extension. I'll check everything. Uh, they are, they are listening to my voice. I swear. What the fuck? That's something. Are you now showing that area now? That's what I want to implement. That's what I want to play. I want to implement. I'm mad.
And both seems very random.
But I said it now. Yes, I said it now. Like actually it's true. Like it's actually very random. Actually, you cannot just think of even if even I'm working with library item, you cannot just don't tell me that no wahala no. You know say like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot they are sharing data. Yeah, I've been catching them red handed. I asked like I had an issue. So, like I asked ChatGPT to like how to resolve the issue. It gave me something. But first ChatGPT, but I asked GitHub Copilot. Think that what GitHub Copilot was exactly what I wanted. Like I was already happy that and I already wrote it down. I was like, okay, well, let me ask ChatGPT too. Then let me see what that one even give me. So that, now ChatGPT, but ChatGPT was actually correct in the sense that like it used the like I asked it some questions before. You get so like those questions. So like that so it used those questions to like reply me, to like give me the answer, which it was not wrong. So like both of them they are correct, but then like they gave me different answers. You know, I asked GitHub Copilot that same question again. I swear it gave me exactly what ChatGPT gave me. The question is the- those things that GitHub Copilot gave me. I did not ask it that. I did not ask it those things. I didn't know that I have asked ChatGPT already. So they share it. They share our data now. They share my data. Like they have my data that they are sharing my data to each other. That's this particular user on OpenAI database shares the GitHub database. When it's like the same email and it's the same email, same everything. They are sharing our data, Jare. Mad people. Share about Mercury. And in real life, they be behaving like enemies. Whereas they are a partner in crime.
Hmm.
So they've borrow. Yeah, no. Let me just pass. So they said that in the class reference item, we should not be able to borrow advanced inheritance in the class in reference item, reference book, fields reference section, class reference book. Let me create class reference book. class. Reference. Regex. Have you heard about regex before?
What do you say? Vedex?
Regex. Regular expression.
Nope.
Okay. You want to, what's it called? You want to check it out, what it means. What's it be the distance safe? Reference section everywhere it is stored. It's blinding. No one knows how far I'll go. How far I'll go. Okay. All right. So they said we should override a method. Yeah, now I'll override the method borrow to print out. Hey, you cannot borrow book. Please, this book cannot be issued. Def. Uh, this book cannot be borrowed. So, the issuance of reference books are restricted. Please, sorry. This was so this is everything. So now I'll maybe make a run am now. So I'll be you go run am.
I should run it. How?
Uh, I'm already tired. I swear to God. Make a tab now. See me run on. Me save don't try. Control I. Not try. Okay.
I think
Test the code. Test the generate. To run.
oh, I thought you wanted me to run it on my own
No,
side.
no, like just I say my man don't they pay me safe. Generate code to one on one. That's good.
So I think you have to create like a book
Mm-hmm.
that will have everything, and then each parameter. Eh?
Tab 9 is stupid. Very stupid. Very stupid. Oh, now why are these GitHub Copilot? The codes. The code. Oh, yeah. Now exactly. Now why now why yeah now this is GitHub Copilot. This is not Tab 9. I mean I what's it called? I like Copilot. You don't like GitHub Copilot. Him not Sabi boy.
So
Sabi
like,
boy.
what if you want to write the name of the book itself and the author, like the title and the author?
If you want to add the title and the author,
Mm.
you can provide setters and getters now. So because
Yeah.
setters and getters, you can provide you can provide a setter and getter methods yourself. So I can define a setter and getter method here. I don't know if I told you that day that the way we modify private variables, like the way we modify private fields, is through the availability of setters and getters, setter function and getter functions. So big. I'm not the right time myself. Make a dynamic generator. Better close.
Because I kind of wrote the same thing, and it was just so, it was very confusing because I would write the name of the book and write the title and author, and then they would say that okay, this code can only take in few parameters, and then I'll now have to go back to the function itself and now have to re-add the title and the author to the dev in it.
No way. You see it now. Generate. Oh, tab 9. Setters and getters. Okay. That's certain. You can see the certain and getter methods. Abi. The just note that by normally, do like in most codes, like we used to break this convention. Setters don't get and getters don't set. But then at some point we used to break it. But then you what's it called? See, Baba, go online, go and search what me setters and getters are big. I no get energy are big. What's it me? So like with the setters and getters now, I can like modify, I can like change some things. Book book one dot set title things fall apart.
Wow.
Synopsis publication here.
Yeah.
Same with journal.
Hmm. It is forget.
Instead of going for my string, maybe that's line what? Stack trace, oh, stack trace, stack trace, stack trace. Wait, what? Where is that? Line 11. Yeah, yeah. Wait a minute. Jerry, I living 10 toes. We standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground method. God, nah. It be that 951, then 912, 951.
So that it seems as if you do set and get for every single parameter, like
Yeah,
for both.
yeah. Title as set and getter. Destination as set and getter. Auto as set and getter. Publication as set and getter. What happened to string? Ha. I no go use the normal eh, from string import templates. Just don't let me make it more complicated. To make every day. Eh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. Good man, call oh yeah, no. Dun, dun, dun. Mm, mm. Good man, come out, oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. Mm, 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 mm. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, no. Good man, oh yeah, no. Mm, mm, mm. Dot format. Journal has no attribute title. Do you mean get title? Where is that? Line what? 916. Journal has no attribute title. Set title. Yeah, and get title now. I want 6. Print journal. 6. No. Then 65. 65. Super dot string. Yeah. Save dot author, then save dot title, save the publication. Yeah. Doesn't know you use from library at them. When why would you buy? Oh, I did not put, did I put definite? You know. You can say okay. It has actually printed out this one safe. Things fell apart. Touching algebra this thing then. Why did you not run into error? Yeah, when you oh god. Which one with this title? I be more the bug mode lale. What's up on the time? What's up on the time? Oh yeah, long. Oh yeah, long. Gbogbo nǹkan mọ̀ yóò lóhùn. Kí ni ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yà? I dey come. Could it be what I'm thinking? Exactly. It is what I'm thinking. And same thing will happen to reference book. Exactly. It is. So make a common book first. Alpha.
Okay, you kept saying book 1 for everything.
Yeah. I still know the what's it within the call. Just know that but I said that with if it's work for book, why did it not work for journal? Does it mean that it should not work for magazine and reference book too, and didn't work? I knew that something was wrong. All right.
Yeah.
You can see here.
Yeah.
Now, let me call their methods and let me let me define the function to be skipping lines here.
We've written like 130 lines of code. I said we've written like 130 lines of code.
Oh, brother, let me call the epos. No, they be our fault too. No, be our fault now. Once upon a time, once upon a time. Oh, yeah, long. Yeah, long. Come on, yeah, no. Tum. Once upon a time, once upon a time. Okay. So the first one you can see. So I wanted to call the methods borrow book, print book one, then book one does borrow book, print. Wait, the borrow book now to the return waiting. What does borrow? Journal, what does borrow? Does borrow?
I think all of the names are taking like the borrower.
Like yeah, I define the borrow. I just I wanted to do something. I would like this guy overrode the method, overrode does borrow. Magazine does borrow and reference, but then like which reference now they're not able to borrow it. Does borrow. Oh, borrow name, okay.
Yeah, when you're creating borrow, it needs like positional arguments, the name and the.
I beg, well, I no get strength. Move come out, my big. I swear. I don't tire. As you look me, Baba. I don't tire. Again? What? Oh. Oh. You know that I overrode the method in reference. Come out time too. Me live VS code on make a talk bad thing to Unabi. So bro, look at it. Borrow from the library. Book borrowed from the library, abi? How about
Yeah.
for this thing? Book borrowed from the library. Same thing as the magazine. Same, but then for reference, we are so sorry. The issuance of reference books are restricted to certain customers. That's what they ask us to do here. We tell them that they cannot borrow it. So it is to like issuing the book. And so we are done with that with assignment one. I do the second one if I get energy, but then I'm sure I'm say I want to reserve my laptop for tomorrow morning. So I go fit do my personal work. So that is all for so that will be all for tonight. I beg. Me say don't try. If I don't tell me say I don't say I don't try.
3 hours. I
Yeah,
beg.
I
Waiting.
actually learned a lot today. I learned quite a lot.
Don't worry. Just go online. Everything that you can you will learn more by learning from yourself. I swear. Learn from yourself. So then,
I remember I remember one time like this. I didn't even know that classes, because when I create class, especially when I'm not
yeah.
putting any positional argument, like I will just leave it as the normal parenthesis. Until one time I now saw one question, then I put objects inside, and I was
Huh?
supposed, as I just saw the object, I was like, what is going on here? I don't even understand at all. I just dropped it. And it's actually even like, how do I even put it safe? It's like all of these sort of lead code questions that they kind of,
Yeah. Ah. Oh,
especially,
thank you. I have a little good questions for you guys. Oh. But
uh,
yeah, that question I will the question. That's the first one. That thing, I never clearly well. I've seven tomorrow morning, sha. But before you guys can, I'll just give you guys to go and solve it. But me to like, I for don't solve them, sha. If you get them, you go your question. Myself, I go. If I solve my own finish, that's in why me. Oh, I said I go. I said I go send and give you now.
those things give me headache. Like if I don't know all this, because especially this set and get, I was like, what is the point of inheriting a class when you can't even assign like a name to the book? Like everything was just confusing. Like I just had to drop it because I kept on
No,
trying different things.
no, now. but now you don't see Amber.
Yeah.
Oh
That's
my
why
God,
sometimes, and also it's very frustrating when you're just trying different things, like you don't know what is going on. Until when somebody now tell you that, oh, this is the right
no,
thing to, like, oh,
no.
so this is how it works.
So now we don't say on a practice and this thing. Just continue practicing. You go now. Continue practice. Smalls. Ah, oh, Odaro. Make her sleep, I beg. See you tomorrow.
Right.
I
Good
beg.
night.
Good night, Jay. Bye.